Hi friends, my name is Milan Dolaria. In this video, we will start exercise 1.3. So let's start it with question number 1. So our question number 1 is find the each of the following products. Find the each of the following products. First of all, we just need to remember the rules for the multiplication. In multiplication, product means multiplication. Okay. Now in multiplication, what we need to do? First of all, do the multiplication process. First of all, do the multiplication process. And for the sign, we need to follow one rule, that is plus minus minus, minus plus minus, minus minus plus, plus plus plus. Okay, first of all, we need to do multiplication process. After that, we need to decide the sign, and for sign we have this rule plus minus minus. That means one number have positive sign, one number have negative sign, so finally negative sign. One negative, one plus, negative, negative negative plus, positive positive plus. Alternately, we can also say that if different sign is there, we need to put subtraction sign, minus sign. Okay, and if same sign is there, then we need to put positive sign. Okay, here different sign, plus minus, here even different sign, minus plus. So in both the case we need to put minus sign. Here minus minus, but both have same sign, so positive sign. Plus plus, both have same sign, so plus sign. Okay, so let's start it with the first question. 3 multiply minus 1. First of all, multiplication process, 3 ones are 3. After that we need to decide sign. Okay, and if there is a no sign, it means a plus sign. Okay, no sign is given, it means plus sign. Okay, here we have 3 multiply minus 1. First of all, multiplication process, 3 ones are 3. Now for the sign, here sign of 3, it is plus. So plus minus minus, our answer is minus 3. Okay, second question, minus 1 multiply 2 to 5. First of all, 2 to 5 multiply 1, it's a 2 to 5 only. Then for the sign, here negative sign, here no sign, that means plus, plus minus, minus sign we need to give here. Here we do not need to see the big number sign. Okay, here we need to follow the rules on the plus minus minus, it's a fix. Okay, so here minus 2 to 5. Okay, then minus 21 multiply minus 30. Okay, first of all, here multiplication is given, so multiplication process, 21 multiply 30. 21 multiply 30, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 1 0. Okay, 21 multiply 30, it's a 630. Right, now we need to look for the sign. Here both number have negative sign. Right, so minus minus plus. Okay, minus minus plus 630. So if our answer is plus, then if we do not show any sign, it means plus only. Okay, so 630 only. Here we can write plus sign, otherwise as it is 630, it's on, it's also okay. Okay, so minus 21 multiply minus 30, it's a 630 minus minus plus. Okay, if we do not show the positive sign, then even our answer is correct. Okay, next, minus 316 multiply minus 1. First of all, multiplication process. Okay, 316 multiply 1, it's a 316 only. Then minus, here even minus, minus minus plus, so plus 316. Okay, so our answer is 316. Then next, minus 1515 multiply 0 multiply minus 18. Okay, minus 15 multiply 0 multiply minus 18. So now here multiplication process is there, right? And here we have one number 0. Okay, if we multiply minus 15 with 0, our answer is 0. Right, if 0 is there, then always answer of multiplication is 0. So here minus 15 multiply 0, it's a 0. Now if we multiply this 0 with minus 18, then even our answer is 0. Okay, matlab alternately our answer is 0. Okay, if one number have 0, then in multiplication we have answer 0. Okay, 0 multiply minus 15 0, 0 multiply minus 18 0, final answer is 0. Okay, and for 0 we do not need to check the sign because plus 0 minus 0 both are same, so we need to write only 0. Okay, we do not need to check the sign. Okay, next minus 12 multiply minus 11 multiply 10. Here we have three numbers. Okay, so either directly we can write the answer, otherwise we can go for the step by step process. That means first two number, after that third number with the answer. Okay, so whatever you want to do you can do it. Means you can directly write the answer, otherwise you can solve two numbers. Right now I am going with two numbers. So first of all, minus 12 multiply minus 11. So 12 multiply 11, first of all multiplication process. 12 multiply 11, 132, minus, here even minus, minus minus plus, so plus 132. Okay, now we need to multiply this answer with our third number 10. Okay, we need to multiply our answer minus 12 multiply minus 11, 132 with our third number 10. Okay, so 132 multiply 10, it's a 1320, and both are positive, so our answer is also positive. So our answer is 1320. Okay, then next question, 9 multiply minus 3 multiply minus 6. Okay, first of all first two numbers. Okay, now here order doesn't matter. Okay, we can change the order. Means either you can multiply first two number, otherwise you can multiply last two number, otherwise you can multiply first number with third number, whatever you want, in any order you can do it. Okay, because a commutative property is applied for the multiplication, so you can change the order of the terms. Okay, now here first two terms, otherwise you can also solve last term. Here I am going with first two term. So first of all, 9 multiply 3, 27, right? 9 3 is 27. 9 have positive sign, 3 have negative sign, so plus minus minus 27. Okay, 9 3 is 27, and 9 have positive sign, 3 have negative sign, plus minus minus. Okay, then multiplication with last term, it is minus 6. So minus 27 multiply minus 6. Now 27 multiply 6. 27 multiply 6. So 7 6 are 42. Okay, then 6 2 are 12, plus 4 16. So 162, and both have negative sign. So here minus, here even minus, minus minus plus. So our answer is plus 162. Okay, 27 multiply 6. It's a 162, and minus minus plus. So 162 is our final answer. Okay, next minus 18 multiply minus 5 multiply minus 4. Okay, here if we multiply last two number, then it's easy, because we know that 5 for the 20 and multiplication with 20 is very easy. Okay, so that's why I'm going with last two numbers. Okay, so my minus 18 remains as it is. First number minus 18 remains as it is. Now last two numbers, 5 4 is 20, minus minus plus 20. Okay, 5 4 is 20, both have negative sign, so minus minus plus 20. Okay, now we need to multiply these two numbers. So 18 multiply 20. 18 to the 36, 10. Okay, 18 multiply 20, it's a 360. That means first of all we need to multiply this number. Now for the sign, here 18 have negative sign and 20 have positive sign. So minus plus minus. Okay, 18 have negative sign, 20 have positive sign. So minus plus minus. So our final answer is minus 360. Okay. Here again I'm telling you, here we do not need to see the big number sign. Right now our big number is positive, then even our answer is negative. Okay, we do not need to see here big number sign. We just directly follow the rules. Okay. Now next, minus 1 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 3 multiply 4. So here total we have 4 numbers. Okay, so we solve first two numbers and last two number together. Okay. Now if we see the first two number, minus 1 multiply minus 2, first of all multiplication process. So 2 ones are 2. Both have negative sign, right? So minus minus plus, so plus 2. Okay. Now last two numbers. Here multiplication is there, so 4 3s are 12. First of all multiplication, 4 3s are 12. Okay. And 4 have positive sign, 3 have negative sign. So plus minus minus. But in between still we have multiplication process. Okay. In between still we have multiplication process, because here all the four numbers are in the multiplication. Okay. Again here again I repeat this thing. Minus 1 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 3 multiply 4. Okay, first of all first two number. So here 2 ones are 2, minus minus plus. Okay, so plus 2. Now in between multiplication, then we need to solve this two number. First of all 4 3s are 12. 4 have positive sign, 3 have negative sign. Okay, so plus minus minus 12. Okay. Now again multiplication process is there. So first of all we need to multiply this two number. Okay. So 12 multiply 2, it's a 24, right? Then 2 have positive sign, 12 have negative sign. So plus minus minus 24. So minus 24 is our final answer. Okay. First of all we need to solve first two number, then last two number, then again we need to solve this two answers. So it finally we get minus 24 as our answer. Okay. Now next number, minus 3 multiply minus 6 multiply 2 multiply minus 1. Again we need to follow the same process, first two numbers and the last two numbers. Okay, so first of all multiplication of first two number, 6 3s are 18. Okay, here 3 have negative sign, 6 have negative sign, both have negative sign, so minus minus plus 18. Okay, then multiply. Now here 2 multiply minus 1. Okay, first of all multiplication process, 2 ones are 2. Okay, now here 2 have positive sign, 1 have negative sign, so plus minus minus 1. Okay, in our answer 2 ones are, sorry, here 2 ones are 2. Okay, and plus minus minus. Okay, now at finally here 18 multiply 2, 18 to the 36. Okay, 18 to the 36, 18 have positive sign, 2 have negative sign, so plus minus minus 36. Okay, again I repeat this question, minus 3 multiply minus 6 multiply 2 multiply minus 1. Okay, first of all multiplication process, 6 3 is 18, minus minus plus 18, multiply 2 ones are 2, plus minus minus 2. Okay, 18 to the 36, plus minus minus 36. So our final answer is minus 36. Here in this PDF, here we have some mistake. Okay, this answer is wrong. If this question is right, then this answer is wrong, because here minus minus plus and 6 3 is a plus 18, but here it is minus 18. So this is wrong. Okay, and plus 18 multiply minus 2, it's a minus 36. So here is some mistake. Now next number is question number 2. Verify the following. Okay, verify the following, that means we need to check this. Okay, that means we need to prove left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay, left hand side of equality and right hand side of equality, we need to show it both are equal. Okay, verify the following, that means here we do not need to find the answer, but we need to verify this, we need to prove this. Okay, here two internal questions are there. Okay, let's start it. Question number 1. So 18 multiply in bracket 7 plus minus 3 is equals to 18 multiply 7 plus 18 multiply minus 3. Okay, this is the distributive property, right? We already learned this property in our theory part, distributive property. Distribution of multiplication over addition, right? Distribution of multiplication over addition, here we have positive sign, that's why. That means what is the property, distributive property? First of all, 18 multiply 7. Okay, here plus sign is there, so plus, and 18 multiply minus 3. This is the distributive property. Okay, that means we need to multiply 18 with this bracket. Okay, so first of all 18 multiply 7, then here positive sign, so positive sign in between, then 18 multiply minus 3, 18 multiply minus 3. This is distributive property. This property we need to prove here. Okay, so first of all, left hand side 18 multiply 7 plus minus 3. Here we need to do not need to apply the property. Okay, we need to simplify the brackets. So first of all, this 18 and multiplication sign remains as it is. First of all, we need to solve this bracket. Okay, so in bracket our first number 7 as it is. Why? Because in second term we have 2 sign, that's why. So first of all we need to convert this 2 sign into 1 sign. Okay, that's why first of all 7 as it is. Okay, here plus minus minus 3. Okay, in between plus and minus we have one bracket, that means multiplication, so plus minus minus, so 7 minus 3. Okay, again I repeat this thing. Here in bracket first of all this 7 as it is, plus minus minus 3. Okay, now we can solve this bracket. 7 minus 3 4, right? 7 minus 3 4, big number 7 have positive sign, so positive sign. Okay, now finally we need to do the multiplication process here. So 18 multiply 4, 18 for the 72, right? 18 for the 32. Now we need to solve the right hand side. Okay, so right hand side of equality sign, 18 multiply 7 plus 18 multiply minus 3. Okay, first of all we need to solve the bracket. So in first bracket we have 18 multiply 7, 18 sevens are, it's a 126, right? And both have positive sign, so positive sign. So 18 sevens are 126 plus, here we have plus sign, right? So plus. Now we need to solve this bracket. First of all multiplication process. 18 threes are, 18 multiply 3, 54, right? 18 threes are 54. Now 18 have positive sign, 3 have negative sign, so plus minus minus 54. Okay, 18 threes are 54 plus minus minus 54, right? Now we need to solve these two numbers. So first of all 126, okay, then plus minus minus 54. Okay, first number 126 as it is, here plus minus minus 54. That means here we have two signs, so we need to convert single sign, so plus minus minus. Now 126 minus 54. 126 minus 54. So plus minus minus, here 6 minus 4 2, 12 minus 5 7, so 72, right? And big number is 126. big number 126 have positive sign, so plus 72. Okay, so here in both the case we got the same answer. Left hand side is equal to 72 and in right hand side is equal to 72. So both are equal. So we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, that means left hand side and right hand side both are equal. So we can write this. That means we can put the equality sign in between. Okay, so left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. Okay, so we need to find the answer of left hand side, we need to find the answer of right hand side, and we need to prove it equal. Okay, then number B. Again, first of all, left hand side, LHS is equal to minus 21 multiply minus 4 plus minus 6. Here even distributive property is there. Again, distribution of multiplication over addition. Right, here multiplication, that's why distribution of multiplication, or here addition, in between positive sign, so or addition. Okay, so again first number multiply, that means we need to multiply this minus 21 with this bracket, so minus 21 multiply minus 4, right? Then here we have positive sign, so positive sign, then 21 multiply with the second number, so minus 21 multiply minus 6. Okay, so here even we need to prove the distributive property. So left hand side minus 21 multiply in bracket minus 4 plus minus 6. So first of all this minus 21 as it is, because we need to solve this bracket. Okay, so here we have minus 4, here plus minus minus 6, right? Here we have two signs, so first of all we need to convert into single sign, so plus minus minus 6. Now we need to solve this bracket. Again our minus 21 remains as it is. Here addition subtraction process is there, right? Minus 4 minus 6, so here minus minus plus, right? Minus minus plus, that means we need to use addition process here. Okay, here minus minus plus, that means we need to use the addition process. So 6 plus 4, it's a 10, right? 6 plus 4, 10, and big number 6 have negative sign, so here negative sign. Okay, minus minus plus, 6 plus 4, addition process, 6 plus 4 10, big number 6 have negative sign, so negative sign. Okay, now finally in between we have multiplication process, so here we need to multiply this two number. Okay, so multiplication, 21 multiply 10, it's a 210, and both have negative sign, right? 21 have negative sign and 10 even have negative sign, so minus minus plus, so plus 210. This is the answer of our left hand side. Okay, now after that we need to solve our right hand side. Okay, so right hand side, it is in first bracket minus 21 multiply minus 4, and in second bracket minus 21 multiply minus 6. Okay, now first of all we need to solve this first bracket. Okay, in between multiplication sign is there, so here we need to use multiplication process. 21 multiply 4, 84, right? 21 multiply 4, it's 84, and both have negative sign. 21 have negative sign and 4 even have negative sign, so minus minus plus 84. Okay, then in between this two bracket we have positive sign, so here positive sign. Okay, now we need to multiply this to 21 multiply 6. Okay, again here in between multiplication sign is there, right? So 21 multiply 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 to the 12, 1 to 6. Okay, now for the sign, again both have negative sign, right? 21 have negative sign and 6 even we have negative sign, so minus minus plus 126. Okay, now plus plus plus, now we need to add this two number, 126 plus 84. Okay, 126 plus 84, 6 plus 4 10 0, 12 plus 8, 20 plus 1, 210. Okay, so here even we get the answer 210. That means here our left hand side is equals to 210 and right hand side even is equals to 210. Right? So in both the case we get the same answer. So we can write like this: LHS is equals to RHS. Right? Left hand side is equals to right hand side. So hence verified. Okay. Both the side of equality are same, so we can put the equality sign. Left hand side is equals to right hand side, hence verified. Okay. And then next is question number 3. First of all, read this question. For any integer a, what is minus 1 multiply a equal to? Okay, a is an integer. We need to find the answer of minus 1 multiply a. Okay, minus 1 multiply a. So here in between we have multiplication sign, so we need to first of all we need to multiply these two numbers. Okay, a multiply 1. Now any number, now any number multiply with 1, it's the same. Okay, that means if we multiply any number with 1 we get the same answer, right? A, it means 2 ones are 2, 17 ones are 17, 1562 multiply 1, it's a 1652, right? We get the same answer, right? 272 multiply 1, it's a 272. So if we multiply a with 1, then even we get the same answer, a ones are a, right? Now for this sign, a have positive sign right now. Okay, internally a whatever sign a have, but right now a is positive and 1 is negative, right? So plus minus minus a. Okay, a ones are a, plus minus minus, so our answer is minus a. Okay, then second question, determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is. That means this is the answer given to you, right? Determine the integer whose product with minus 1. That means which number we need to multiply with minus 1, so we get this 3 answer. Okay, that means alternative what is asking to you, minus 1 multiply is equals to minus 22. Here you need to fill this blank. That means which number we need to multiply with minus 1, so we get the minus 22. Okay, so it's a very easy. That means if you want answer 22, right, here 1 is already there, so simply we need to put here 22, right? Because 22 ones are 22 plus minus minus, right? 22 ones are 22 plus minus minus. Alternative we need to put here 22. Okay, right now already we proved that minus 1 is multiply a is equals to minus a. So if you want minus a, if minus 1 is there, so here you need to put the value of a only, right? Now 37 minus 1 multiply, and here we want answer 37. Okay, so now here 1 is there, and if we want 37, then alternatively we need to put here 37, right? So 37 ones are 27, but here our answer is positive, right? Here our answer is positive, but here plus minus minus. So alternately what we need to do, here we need to put negative sign. Okay, then what happen? 31 ones are 31 and minus minus plus. Okay, so if you want here plus 37, so here you need to write minus 20, minus 37. Okay, additive inverse you need to write here. Additive inverse, that means different sign. Okay, so minus 1 multiply, and here you want 37, so here 37 ones are 37 and minus minus plus, so here you need to put minus, so your answer is minus 37. Okay, otherwise directly you can multiply minus 1 with 37, then even you get the same answer. Okay, now minus 1 multiply, and here we want 0. So when we get the answer 0, that means alternately our 1 number needs to become 0. So here if you put 0 here, then 0 ones are 0. Right? It's easy. Minus 1 multiply, if we put here 0, so we get the answer 0. So our answer is 0. Okay. Now next is question number 4. First of all, read this question. Starting from minus 1 multiply 5. Write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 multiply minus 1 is equals to 1. Okay. Starting from minus 1 multiply 5, and we need to write our answer up to the minus 1 multiply minus 1 is equals to plus 1. Okay, we need to start from minus 1 multiply 5. Okay, and we need to write the product up to the minus 1 multiply minus 1 is equals to 1. Okay, so first of all, we just start with minus 1 multiply 5. 5 ones are 5. 1 have negative sign, 5 has positive sign, so plus minus minus 5. Okay, now what we want here, minus 1 multiply minus 1. Okay, minus 1 we already have, but here we have 5. So in second place we need to write minus 1 and we need to show some pattern. Okay, so here we can change the value of 5 and in decreasing order. Okay, if we write here 5 4 3 2 1 0, after that we can get minus 1. So here we need to write the at the second place we need to write the number less than which is the previous number with respect to previous number, right? So in decreasing order we need to write here 5 4 3 2 1 0, and after that we get the minus 1, and in first position we already want minus 1, so in all this case we need to write here minus 1. Okay, so again, how can we just generate the pattern? So here minus 1 multiply minus 1, we already get the answer. Sorry, here plus 5, right? Minus 5. Then here multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1 multiply 0. After that we get minus 1, and at first position we already want minus 1 and already minus 1 is there, so minus 1 we need to continue here. Okay, minus 1 we need to continue here. Okay, now we need to find the answer. So 4 ones are 4 plus minus minus 4. 3 ones are 3 plus minus minus 3. 2 ones are 2 plus minus minus 2. 1 ones are 1 plus minus minus 1. Now minus 1 multiply 0, it's a 0 only, right? And minus 1 multiply minus 1, so 1 multiply 1, it's a 1, and minus minus plus 1. Okay, 1 ones are 1 minus minus plus 1. So at last we get this minus 1 multiply minus 1 is equals to 1. Okay, in first place we want minus 1, already we have minus 1, so we need to put as it is. In second place we want minus 1, but we have 5, so we need to write the decreasing order 5 4 3 2 1 0 minus 1. Okay, so we'll get this pattern. Okay, thus we can conclude that this pattern shows the product of one negative integer and one positive integer, whereas the product of two negative integers is a positive integer. Okay, if one number is negative, one number is positive, we get the negative answer, but if we have both number negative, then we get the positive answer. Okay, so students, if you have any doubt in this questions, so please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Okay, thank you.